Tired of this.
Hello? Your RV service repair queue number is 76 in line. The average repair time is 31 days. If warranty is involved, it could bump up to 56 days. If parts are out of stock, could be up to 90 days to get your RV repaired. All while still making payments on your RV.
In general, RV service sucks. But what if it didn't? What if smooth, stress-free RV service wasn't just a dream? It's finally possible, and we're here to show you how. Enter RVFix. We're breaking the mold of traditional RV service. Here's how it works. When something goes wrong with your RV, you'll get a direct line to one of our master RV technicians. They see what you see and start diagnosing the problem in real time, faster than you can say, "Where's my wrench?" And over 40% of the time, solving the issue right then and there. Now, say we know the problem, we need to order parts and submit warranty.
We keep working, you stay camping.
Then when we get the parts, we'll give you a call to set up a time to bring in your RV, keeping your RV only a few days versus months. So you can keep enjoying things like now, not every issue can be solved instantly. For those that fall in this bucket, we're sorry! But more often than not, we can make this all happen like zip zap, zoobie bap. So if your RV breaks down more than your local burger joint's ice cream machine, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Because your RV deserves freedom, and so do you.
Wait, this isn't my wrench.